Okay, in case this has any glue on it, I'm going to move that. Of course, now I have glue all over my hands. All right, let me reach over here. Okay. All right. So I have finished the expedition kit. Let me zoom in a little bit here. And this is a 15-page kit, and 7 of the pages are going to be like journaling pages. So there is a map page. There are some lined pages, and this one like has a compass and some script, and it looks like it's like on old plaster. Here's some with a pocket watch and a definition over here and some stamps. Here is another lined page, a little number quote up here and some little hand graphic. This one has a globe and some binoculars with some label and a British Museum stamp. It is some like accounting ledger paper over the top of that one. And then I put in just a blank lined page. So there are 6 pages that are like decorated in some way. And then the 7th one is just a blank lined page that can be printed on the back of any of these. So you have like, you know, double duty, man, double duty. And then there are some cool things that go with this kit. Like this one. This is the diary, the expedition diary card, and I printed one out, and this is kind of what it looks like when you print it out. And I just printed this out on regular. It's copy paper, but I got the really nice stuff for laser printers, and I actually printed this on my laser printer, but you can print it any way you want. But for some reason, when you buy a ream of paper that is either for your inkjet, it's labeled for inkjet, or it's labeled for laser, or if it's labeled that it's like a multi-purpose, but it's like for brochures, it's just a heavier duty, a better quality paper than just regular, copy paper that you would buy in a ream of, 500. I don't know, it just comes out super lush and velvety and kind of nice. So this is the little diary, and it has the first page of the diary, and then there's the back of it. And what I thought I would use this for is like a little inside the journal. You could have a little element where you could open it up and you could put a photograph here. You could even, there's photographs that come with it. You could even add one in there. You could journal inside if you wanted. There's different kinds of options that you could do. This could be a total interactive element inside the journal, but it's got really cool spine. I don't know, it's just really neat. It's just really neat. So let me show you the printout. Okay, so let me show you the printout. So it is a 1902 diary. On the back of the cover is a couple of stamps. Inside the front cover, you'll see the first stages of the expedition until they got to where they were, hiking out. And then there is the first page. And then also on this page are some page tabs, and I have made them with just some script and a journey definition. So there's that. So that's kind of a neat little extra, thing. And then we have some photographs, and so that is the ship they took from London down to South America. There is the 4 gentlemen going on the expedition. There is a page from a book about the Peruvian Indians. We have a picture of the base camp, and then a photograph of a shaman. So that's what that is. and in Peru with the date. And then on the pictures where there's the people, I've put their names, so the names of the people are on the photographs. Okay. Here are some journaling tags, and these are some of the things that they were going out to look for on their trip. So these are 4 plates that have the different entomology, the buggies that they were going to be looking for as part of the expedition. There was another reason, but this was their excuse for going. This was the excuse. So I've printed this one out on a thicker, that presentation brochure type paper. It is the Hammermill cover digital copy color digital copy cover. I think that's it. I'll put it down in the description box. So that's what those are. This is a page of specimen tags and labels. So we've got 4 here of these little guys with little the little tabby tabs, so that you can cut these out and then punch out the hole and then put some twine around it if you want. And each of the tags has something different in the tag. And then here is 2 different kinds. And then these are little labels, and what they are for is if you wanted to put them on like some little glass bottles for like little specimens. That's what those are for. Here is another just a cool little, journaling card. And then these are microscope slides, and you can use them for whatever you'd like. This is a page of specimen labels, and these are the real deal. These are actually taken from the Museum of Natural History in London. So these are some of the museum tags and labels that are on the specimens in the museum. So you can cut those out. I just thought they were the different script, the different, some are handwritten and some are printed, and the different colors, and I don't know, just aesthetically it just was very, very pleasing. And the little holes that are in that's where the little pin goes through, when they pin it next to the specimen. That's where those little holes are for. There is also a random numbers page, and this just comes in black and white, so you can print it on tea-stained paper or vellum or whatever you'd like to print it on. And so there's a whole page of all kinds of sizes and fonts of my number codes. There is a map, of course, and this is a map of Peru. And if you notice, written on the map was the last seen May 5th, 1902, and then it says botanical samples recovered. If you remember my journal about Dr. Rathburn and the expedition that went awry several months ago, I will also link that down below. This is kind of the sequel. This is the follow-up to how all those things got discovered, that he went missing and his troop went missing, but this is where this expedition was the ones that found the stuff that he left behind, his journal and everything. And then I have a whole page of old looking hang tags that you can embellish them any way you want. You can use the other little things to embellish them with. You can use the number codes. There's all kinds of things that I just thought I should leave a little bit of some little blankies that you guys can use too. So that is this kit, this 15-page kit, and it will be in my Etsy store down below. And then very soon I will show you what I did with this kit, and I will show you what I made up to go with this kit. Okay guys, I think that is it for the day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and doing a little bit of art journaling and checking out the expedition kit. And I hope everybody is having a fantastic week. If you live in California where there are fires, my heart goes out to you. We in Colorado have some fires too, not nearly as extensive as yours. And so I'm thinking about you guys, and I'm really, really sorry to hear about those. And so I hope they're out soon. And I know there were some fires in Greece. It's like it's all over the place. So just know if you are in a place where it's you're having some troubles, I'm thinking about you, and I wish you guys all the best. So I will catch you very, very soon in the next video. I got a fun little DIY project that will be coming up, and some journals. I've got the Serafina journal that's going to be out there, and the design team project for the graphics fairy. So we're going to have some fun really, really soon. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video.